Alright guys, we are off to one of the Shinto shrines here in the heart of Tokyo. Beautiful surroundings in here. Look at all these huge trees. Wonder if there's any snakes and monkeys. Keep your eyes out, guys. Might see an anaconda. Anyway guys, I've been walking for like I think 40 minutes now. I've done about 5Ks and ended up here at this Shinto shrine. So yeah, I'm looking forward to heading down there and having a look. And it's quite cool here. It's about probably 15 to 20 degrees, so it's not that hot today, which is good. It's quite moderate, kind of like New Zealand weather. It's quite beautiful here how you've got this kind of setting in the heart of Tokyo, which is quite urban and quite a metropolis, and you've got this little aspect of nature right here, and it's got like little paths you can take off and just check out some more of nature. Alright guys, let's go for a little walk in the shrine and see if we can find some ninjas or samurais.
Meiji Jingu 特別1000円募金ご協力いただきました方には、境内のご神木で作りました特別な記念品を差し上げております。
Probably about the history of the shrine. Hello. Konnichiwa. I come from. Can you guess? Can you guess? Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. New Zealand, man. New Zealand. Hakka. All blacks. Kiwi, kiwi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Looks like you can buy some bits and pieces here. Souvenirs, I think. Ah, they are good luck charms. Good luck charms that you can buy for the shrine. Anyway guys, let's go a little bit more closer inside the shrine. Avoid all the tourists. It is Rugby World Cup here in Japan, so a lot of foreigners from around the world. Love the Tenchu type architecture. So reminds me of the games I used to play, Tenchu and Shinobi. I tend to see a lot of the ravens in Tokyo. There's like multitudes of them. They just hang around and like squawk. They like shiny things, so I guess don't show them any money. Anyway guys, let's go up a bit further. Basically says no photos allowed past that point, but this seems to be the main shrine in here. Where people are hanging out and just looking. Anyway guys, let's go down and check out some of the stuff I can see hanging over here. Let's see what they are. Looks like messages that people have written from around the world. Hey, it's one from Vietnam. You can understand what that means. For those in Vietnam, let me know. Happiness, success, peace for all. It's pretty cool. Guess you gotta look at getting one of these wood somewhere and engraved all sorts. Different messages. That's so cool. I wish for only the best for my wife and children and for the world. We all need some peace and harmony. Keep safe, keep well. Jake. Cool message, Jake. Real cool messages here. Lots of Chinese, people from around the world. These are fortune telling poetry. Shake.
Yeah.
And brings good luck.
Yeah, just pick the number. Pick the one.
Oh, okay. So shake. You pick it out like. Okay, so I've picked that one out.
And then you check the number.
Check the number. Okay. 17. Yeah.
19. And then
You go over here.
just go there and just put a coin there.
Okay. Cool.
So you got 17, right? So I got 18.
Ah, 17, 18.
You said you got 17?
20. So who's got 19? Ha. Just joking.
You got 17.
Yeah,
So I'm
17.
not skipping.
Ah, so you got
This is the English one.
not us, the English one. So I got 17. So, oh, you put a coin there.
Coin there, yeah.
Okay. Let's read what that says. The Emperor Meiji was especially fond of composing poems in traditional waka, 31 syllable form, and left a collection of 100,000 of them to his people. The Empress Shogun joined the emperor in this art and is said to have composed 30,000 herself. So she was quite poetic. Poetic justice. So let's see what the poem says. The poem says, should you but resolve to climb that peak towering to the heavens, you will find there is a pathway to its very summit. There is a way to the top of every mountain if you are determined to make the climb. Where there's a will, there's a way, as the proverb says. That's cool. Oh, almost forgot. Better put it in the 100. Hang on a sec, guys. Can't leave without putting some coin in there. That's pretty cool though. Let me grab one of these coins. All right. Here we go. Let's chuck the coin in. All right. So we're done. Now I'm not sure whether you're supposed to do the coin first and then read the poetic thing, but it's done anyway. That's pretty cool. That's real cool. Alrighty guys, we are heading out this way, and we're gonna go and head to the Metropole building, see if we can get some views of Tokyo, and continue our little walk here through this ninjutsu forest. Looks like a spring over here, guys. Oh, check that out. Maybe you're supposed to drink from it. Put it on your head. So water from a spring. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. All right, guys. Check that out. That is the Metro Government Building here in Tokyo. Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. We're going to go up and have a look. I think we can get to the top up there. Just got to find a way in. Looks pretty high. Anyway, we'll check it out and see See if we can get up to the top and see some views of Tokyo. Alright guys, so observatory, that's this building, number 2, and then that one is that building, number 1. So we have to go and check out number 1. So we are here, walk along, go down, and I guess we've got to catch an elevator up. Alright, this way. Alright guys, so 26 is Mount Fuji, which is here. So looking out there, I think Mount Fuji's out there somewhere where there's cloud cover. So it's not a clear day today, it's real cloudy, but Mount Fuji's out that way there somewhere guys. You can see that. Look at that metro area of Tokyo. Extends right around 360 degrees around the other side. This is huge. Tokyo is huge. So hopefully on a clear day we can come back and check out Mount Fuji. But hopefully during the week I can head down to see Mount Fuji and stay down there for a couple of days, check out the vibes. As you can hear, people are jumping on the piano here. We're playing some tunes while everyone's checking out the observation deck. And you got little kids, you got adults, you got all sorts of people who are waiting in line over here to jump on their piano. Look at that guy. Alright guys. We were down there at the shrine a while ago. Alright. I think Kiwi wants to go and get some photos, so let's get some photos of Kiwi. Cool girl busting out the tunes. Alright, that's where we were walking guys to get up here. Tokyo City. Okie dokie guys, we are heading back to Shinjuku Station. It's after lunch, I have not eaten, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Then we're gonna head to the Tokyo Stadium fan zone area and hang out. Now, if you're wondering about tickets for the game here in Japan, tickets are real expensive. They're around I think £1,000, which in New Zealand is around 2,000 New Zealand dollars per person, which is quite expensive. But there's going to be a lot of people selling some around the stadium. I'm not going to attempt to go and check out the stadium for tickets. I might do though for the semi and grand final. Now all the tickets have been sold out, but there are scalpers and there are people that have spares left anyway. So we'll see how we go. But beautiful walk through the streets of Tokyo.